So good morning to all of you. Yesterday or day before that, one problem is already given to you and only totals are remaining. So gross profit we have calculated. Then gross profit is to be transferred to P&L account credit side by gross profit brought down. Then total of P&L account is to be done, and whatever may be the net profit, that is to be recorded on debit side, and this net profit is to be again recorded in the balance sheet. Capital, add net profit less whatever may be the other drawings or anything, and then the outer column total we are making, and then the balance sheet is to be tallied. So who is completed this, making the total of trading account, then profit and loss account, and then balance sheet. So only totals are remained. So I think that is your duty or work to complete it. All the recording we are already made. So we are not wasting the time again in that particular problem. Only totals and other things are to be remained, and you can do it. So who is completed it? Anybody? Write the message. Anybody who can complete it? Only totals are remaining. Sir, I completed. Divesh Boyer. What is the total? Divesh Boyer. Trading and profit and loss account. Gross profit calculated, then it is to be recorded on credit side by gross profit brought down. Then P&L account credit side total is to be made. The difference will be net profit, which is transferred to capital, balance sheet, liability side. So trading account total is 3,49,000. What is the gross profit? Difference gross profit. $1,23,000. This is the gross profit on debit side of trading account. Now it is to be transferred or recorded on the credit side by gross profit brought down 1,23,000. 1,23,000. And then P&L account total 1,23,000 credit side. 1,23,000 credit side. And the difference on debit side is the net profit. Net profit is 27,500, which is again transferred to capital. We are recorded 1,40,000 inner column. Add net profit 27,500. So total comes 1,67,500, and less drawing 15,000. Again total comes 1,52,500, and less withdrawn, goods withdrawn 8,000, and outer column 1,44,500. So total of balance sheet comes 1,86,500. 1,86,500. Okay, right. Divesh Boyer, correct. So this is the problem, and yesterday I have given one problem to you. In that problem also we are going to prepare the manufacturing account, trading account, and profit and loss account combined, and then the balance sheet. So give the heading give the heading. In the books of Mr. Kailash, next line, manufacturing account. For the year ended 31st March 2018. So make the two parts of the page. Left hand side debit, right hand side credit. On the debit side, two columns, particulars and amount. And same columns are there on credit side, particulars and amount. Tejas Khandare, your network is to be weak. There is no problem from my side. Tejas Khandare, your internet is slow, so others are listening very properly. That is your problem. So for the manufacturing account, keep 15 to 16 lines blank. 15 to 16 lines blank. Tejas Khandare, you stop. Huh? If you are not listening, you stop. Don't write anything. Don't become very smart. If you are not listening, you can quit. So manufacturing account, keep 15 to 17 lines blank. Then next account, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. This is the combined account for the year ended. 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. Now for the trading and profit and loss account, keep for the trading account 6 to 7 lines blank, and after you can write the figures or the items of profit and loss account, debit as well as credit. I will tell you, but for the trading account, keep 7 lines blank and make some tick mark to their 6 or 7 lines, and after that we have to write the profit and loss account item, debits and credits. Now for the profit and loss account, keep again 15 to 17 lines blank. 15 to 17 lines blank. So this is the combined account. Trading and profit and loss account is the combined account. Then next, balance sheet. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. Sanika Matre, close your video. Balance sheet. Left hand side, liabilities and amount. Left hand side, liabilities and amount. And right hand side, assets and amount. Right hand side, assets and amount. So these are the necessary accounts which are to be prepared for solution of this problem. Now one by one I will read the adjustments and you can make the tick mark to the items given in the trial balance. So following further information is provided to you. First adjustment is closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was raw material 16,000, WIP 10,000 and finished goods 20,000. So there is no need to make any tick mark for the closing stock. We are recorded it accordingly. Then second adjustment is outstanding factory rent is rupees 1,000. Now make the tick mark to the factory rent item given in the trial balance. After direct wages, factory rent is given. So make the tick mark. Then third adjustment, depreciation machinery at 5% and computer at 20%. So computer is given after sales. Third item of the trial balance, make the tick mark. And machinery is given after factory electricity, make the tick mark. Then debtors include rupees 15,000 due from Amir. An amount of rupees 8,000 is also due to him, which is included in creditors and which needs to be adjusted. So this is regarding creditors and debtors. So make the tick mark to the creditors and debtors. Sundry creditors are given after discount allowed and sundry debtors are given after provision for bad debts. So make the tick mark. Then fifth adjustment is provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 10% on debtors. Second tick mark to the debtors. Second tick mark to the debtors. Second tick mark to the debtors. So these are the adjustments and the items which we can consider and record it into inner column respectively. So from the following trial balance as on 31st March 2018 of Mr. Kailash, prepare manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and balance sheet as on that date. So one by one now we are start from the trial balance items and their amounts. So purchase of raw material, manufacturing account debit side, keep 2-3 lines blank. Manufacturing account debit side, keep 2-3 lines blank and after 3 lines record there to purchase of raw material, to purchase of raw material, to purchase of raw material, amount is 3,15,000. Amount column 3,15,000. Next item is given sales, trading account credit side, trading account credit side, buy sales, buy sales. Now no returns or anything are given, so direct outer column 5 lakhs. Buy sales, amount column 5 lakhs. Then computer, computer is an asset. So balance sheet asset side, balance sheet asset side, keep 2 lines blank for the recording other assets And after two lines, write there computer inner column amount 32,000, inner column amount 32,000. There is a adjustment of depreciation, so make less depreciation, right there, less depreciation. So whatever may be the depreciation, we can consider it again at the time of adjustment. Next, opening stock of raw material, manufacturing account debit side, opening stock of raw material, where we are kept 2-3 lines blank before purchases. So right there, to opening stock of raw material, 32,000 amount column. Next, to opening stock of WIP, work in progress, manufacturing account, same account. To opening stock of WIP 6,000, and the other opening stock is given finished goods. Now it is to be recorded on debit side of trading account. Now keep one line blank for the trading account, and next write second line to opening stock of finished goods, trading account debit side. To opening stock of finished goods, amount is given 20,000. Amount is given 20,000. Next, capital, it is recorded on balance sheet liability side. Go to the balance sheet liability side and write on the first line capital account, inner column, not direct amount column, inner column. Amount is 1,05,000. 1,05,000. Next, freight on raw material, manufacturing account debit side. Manufacturing account debit side, to freight on raw material. To freight on raw material, right amount 3,000. Next, direct wages, manufacturing account debit side. To direct wages 24,000, direct amount column 24,000. Next is same manufacturing account to factory rent. To factory rent, inner column there is adjustment. Inner column 20,000, and adjustment is regarding outstanding. So right there, add outstanding. Add outstanding. So whatever may be the outstanding, we consider at the time of adjustment. Next, factory power and fuel, manufacturing account debit side. To factory power and fuel, amount is 18,000. 18,000. Next, factory electricity, manufacturing account debit side. To factory electricity, amount is 21,000. 21,000. Next, machinery, balance sheet asset side, where we are kept 2 lines blank before computer. So first line of the balance sheet asset side, machinery, inner column 95,000, inner column 95,000, and less depreciation, right there, less depreciation, whatever may be, we can consider it. Then drawings, drawing is to be deducted from the capital. So capital we are recorded on the liability side. Now keep 2-3 lines blank after capital, and then write less drawings, less drawings, inner column 15,000, inner column 15,000. Next, office salaries, profit and loss account, debit side, first item. Now for the trading account, keep 5 to 6 lines blank. I have told you already for making the total and all these. And then write to the debit side of profit and loss account, to office salaries, amount column 23,000, amount column 23,000. Next item of trial balance is cash at bank, balance sheet asset side. After the computer, write cash at bank, amount column 5,000, amount column 5,000. Next is selling and distribution expenses. It is the expenditure, so recorded on debit side of profit and loss account after office salaries, to selling and distribution expenses, to selling and distribution expenses, amount 13,000, 13,000. Then bank charges, same account, profit and loss account debit side, to bank charges, amount 7,000. Then discount allowed, profit and loss account, same account debit side, to discount allowed, 5,000, amount column 5,000. Then creditors are given. Creditors, balance sheet liability side, balance sheet liability side. After drawing, keep 1-2 line blanks and then write creditors, inner column, creditors is having adjustment, inner column 45,000, 45,000. Next, bad debts. Bad debts are recorded on debit side of profit and loss account. Go to the profit and loss account. Right there on the debit side, to bad debts, amount inner column 2,000. Now adjustment regarding new RDD is there. So write to bad debts, inner column 2,000, and keep 2-3 lines blank. Keep 2-3 lines blank after the bad debts. And नंतर मग profit and loss account चे दुसरे item लिहा. Next, provision for bad debts, credit balance is given. Bad debts मध्ये one line keep blank, जे आता 2000 घेतले त्याच्यानंतर एक लाईन मोकळी ठेवा. त्याच्यानंतर पुढे म्हणा less old RDD, inner column 2000, inner column 2000. The next item of trial balance is sundry debtors, balance sheet asset side, sundry debtors, inner column 49,000, inner column 49,000. Now regarding the sundry debtors, 2-3 additional adjustments are there. So after writing the sundry debtors in inner column, keep 3 lines blank, and then another item, bills payable, balance sheet liability side. Go to the balance sheet liability side. After creditors, keep 2 lines blank and then write bills payable. Amount is bills payable 46,000. 46,000. Then discount received, it is the income. So income is to be recorded on profit and loss account credit side. But before that, P&L account credit side, keep 1 line blank on credit side and then write by discount received, amount column 10,000. Next, sundry expenses, profit and loss account debit side, profit and loss account debit side to sundry expenses, amount column 3,000. 3,000. So all the items of trial balance we are recorded to manufacturing, trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So no any item is to be remaining to record, only the adjustments we are now started. Following further information is provided to you. First adjustment, closing stock as on 31st March 2018 was raw material 16,000 and WIP 10,000. So manufacturing account credit side, by closing stock, make the underline, and next line, raw material 16,000, direct amount column, raw material 16,000, and WIP, work in progress, amount column 10,000. Amount column 10,000. Now finished goods closing stock is to be recorded on trading account credit side after sales, where you are recorded sales. After that, by closing stock of finished goods, 28,000 amount column. 28,000 amount column. Now this is the first effect. Another effect, balance sheet asset side. Closing stock. Debtors नंतर जागा ठेवा म्हटलंय मी, 2-3 ओळी जागा ठेवा आणि नंतर लिहा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. त्याच्यामध्ये रॉ मटेरियल 16,000, raw material 16,000, WIP 10,000, WIP 10,000, and finished goods 28,000. So as per the principle of accounting, every adjustment has twofold effect. So twofold effects we are made. Second adjustment, outstanding factory rent rupees 1,000. Manufacturing account debit side, we are recorded factory rent, inner column, factory rent amount, inner column 20,000. Into that already we are written add outstanding, write the amount 1,000. After 20,000 write there 1,000, and then outer column total 21,000. Outer column total 21,000. So this is the first effect. Another effect, balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Outstanding factory rent. Outstanding factory rent amount 1,000. So second adjustment till is completed. Then third adjustment, depreciation machinery at 5% per annum and computer at the rate of 20% per annum. Depreciation of machinery, we are recorded on asset side machinery 95,000 less depreciation at the rate of 5%, right there at the rate of 5%. So on 95,000, 5% depreciation comes 4,750. Less depreciation 4,750. So from the 95,000, 4,750 is to be deducted, and then outer column total 90,250. 90,250. Now regarding computer, we are taken computer inner column 32,000 less depreciation at the rate of 20%. So 10% comes 3,200 and 20% 6,400. So from the 32,000 deduct 6,400, and then outer column total 25,600. 25,600. Now these are the effects of depreciation, only one effect. Another effect, now plant machinery is used in the factory. So machinery effect is to be shown manufacturing account debit side. To depreciation on machinery, amount 4,750. 4,750. And computer is used in the office. Computer is used in the office. So profit and loss account debit side, to depreciation on computer, 6,400. Amount column 6,400. So two effects are made. Now number 4, debtors includes rupees 15,000 due from Amir. Amir is one of the person from whom 15,000 are to be in due. An amount of rupees 8,000 also due from to him, which is included in creditors. आता 8,000 मध्ये त्याचे creditors मध्ये include आहेत. Go to the balance sheet liability side. We are recorded creditors, inner column 45,000 less adjusted against debtors, 8,000. So from the 45,000 deduct 8,000, outer column total 37,000. आता पहिला शब्द वापरलेला आहे ऍडजस्टमेंटचा डेटर्स, त्यामुळे डेटर्स मधून देखील आपल्याला हे वजा करायचे. गो टू द असेट साइड. डेटर्स वी आर recorded 49,000 inner column less adjusted against creditors, 8,000. inner column लाच टोटल घ्या 41,000. तर यांचे सेकंड इफेक्ट जे आहेत, सेकंड इफेक्ट 8,000चा जो सेकंड इफेक्ट आहे तो जी ड्रॉइंग आपली आहे, ड्रॉइंग आपण 15,000ची घेतली. आता इथं 8,000ची जी ऍडजस्टमेंट दाखवायची आहे, दोघांच्या मध्ये व्यवहार झालेला आहे आणि त्या पद्धतीने आपण ऍडजस्टमेंट या ठिकाणी दाखवली. नेक्स्ट ऍडजस्टमेंट, दोन्हीचा इफेक्ट एक असेटला एक लायबिलिटीला आपण केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट, provide reserve for doubtful debts at the rate of 10% on debtors. Now debtors we are taken inner column 41,000, again less RDD 10%, less RDD 10% on 41,000 10%, 4,100. Now deduct it from 41,000. in the outer column 36,900. 36,900. Now another effect of the RDD, new RDD, where we are recorded bad debts 2,000 inner column and कोणाला काय परत सांगायचे ऍडजस्टमेंट, कुठले ऍडजस्टमेंट? 8,000 चे ऍडजस्टमेंट डेटर्स मधून वजा, क्रेडिटर्स मधून वजा, दोन्हीकडून वजा केलेत आणि आउटरला रक्कम घेतली. डेटर्स वरती 10% नवीन आरडीडी काढायचा आहे. 41,000 वरती 10% 4,100, आउटर कॉलम 36,900. आता याचा दुसरा इफेक्ट आपण प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटला बॅड डेट्स 2,000 दाखवले, त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड 2,000 च्या खाली ऍड, पहिल्या 2,000 च्या खाली न्यू आरडीडी 4,100. दोघांची टोटल आली 2,000 प्लस 4,100, इनर कॉलम 6,100. 6,100, and then less old reserve are there 2,000. So from the 6,100 again deduct 2,000, outer column 4,100. 4,100. So all the things we are recorded. Now make the total. Make the total. Manufacturing account debit side. Manufacturing account debit side. Always manufacturing account debit side is more. So first you can make the total of debit side. Anybody? ₹4,44,750. Dilip Bhagat. Onkar Bhagat. Next, anybody? ₹4,44,750. Mitali Gharat. 4,44,750. Divesha Bhoyer is also have the same total. So anybody have the different total? So right there on debit side. Okay. 4,44,750 debit side total. Write it to credit side also. 4,44,750. Now what is the difference on credit side? Difference on credit side. ₹4,18,750. Onkar. Anybody? 4,18,750. Okay. 4,18,750. Right there. By cost of production. By cost of production. 4,18,750. Now take this to the trading account debit side where we are kept one line blank to manufacturing account. To manufacturing account into bracket cost of production 4,18,750. 4,18,750. Now make the total of trading account credit side. Trading account credit side. Only two items are there, sales and closing stock. So 5,28,000. Okay. 5,20,000. Yes. 5,28,000. Debit side difference is 89,250. 89,250. Okay. Now give the name to this to gross profit carried down. to gross profit carried down 89,250. Now this is recorded on credit side of P&L account by gross profit brought down, 89,250, 89,250, 89,250. Now make the total of profit and loss account credit side 99,250, 99,250. Debit side same amount, take the same amount 99,250, and the difference on the debit side okay, this is the total and 37,750, 37,750. Give the name to this figure to net profit, to net profit 37,750, 37,750. Now this net profit is transferred to balance sheet liability side, where we are recorded capital account, inner column 1,05,000. Into that add माइक चालू झाला आहे
करू का?
माइक वाले माइक मला दिसेला कोणाचा चालू आहे तो बंद करून ठेवा. कोणाचा माइक चालू आहे? So total of 1,05,000 plus 37,750 inner column 1,42,750, 1,42,750. From that less drawings 15,000, less drawings 15,000, and then make the total outer column 1,27,750, 1,27,750. So now make the total of balance sheet. Make the total of balance sheet. $211,750. Right answer. 2,11,750. So like this, the problems are to be solved in the sole manufacturing concern. So today we can stop here. 2,11,750. Mithal Gharat, Divesha Bhoir. Okay. Now I will close the meeting. Take care. Okay, bye.